Yeah, welcome. Let's have a look at website background designing. We are doing website designing under Microsoft Publisher. Let's look at the background. How can you design the different backgrounds with different either texture or graphics or just color? Let's pass through the processes of creating the website background. You can go straight onto all programs. When you reach all programs, then you choose Microsoft. You choose Microsoft Publisher or of all programs. Then it will be easy for you to load the website templates. You choose to go to so you can load the publisher in here. As usual, you may go onto the different templates, then you choose website. Under website, you can as well choose the either if you want to choose among the different templates, or you can as well come here and just get a blank size template. You can choose according to what you want to develop. Then you can either look at the color scheme. Maybe your organization has a certain set of colors that it uses. You can as well reflect them into your template. Then still you can choose the type font type that you want your website to use, or prefer to be flowing in. There are a lot of them. Then you can say create. So this is everyday business. This is what we usually do. So upon here, you can choose the number of pages that you want, or the pages that preferably you may use onto your website. Then you say OK. So those ones will be reflected as buttons onto your website. So upon having finished to load your website, it will appear like this. So this is our page, but we want to concentrate on making uh, on having the background of the web page, so that background may reflect on all the pages, or you might as well put the background on each page differently. But here, let's look at how to add the background. You just come onto page options. Under page options, then you can choose background fill and sound. Onto background fill, you can click. Then you get the background uh, here. More colors onto the background color that you preferably want to include into your website. It may depend. So you see, now we have changed the way our backgrounds. These are the different formats of backgrounds that we are going to use, but they are not only limited to what we have, but you can as well get a color that might reflect in your background. Here, more colors. You first choose the color according to the needs of your website. So you will see that everything here, the color has changed. So you can choose in accordance to the color or to the patterns that you can as well use while trying to design a website. You might as well come to more. Okay, let's first have let's first have the pieces here. You may choose that, let us use that color, but flowing gradient fill from vertical way. You can choose like this. So it means the website has changed the way the web pages look. They have changed. So if it comes to designing background, you have to be very keen with color selection and the fill that you love to include onto your website. It is very important to look at the colors that you want. You may just want to put just one color to fill the full version of your website. You see, it is full page covered with that same color. So it means before you design, it's better to choose the color of your choice or the color of the organization, because each organization may have information flowing depending on the colors of their choice. So you may apply a full page color, or you may just choose a format, for instance this, to to have a look. You see the website the way it will be looking. So tentatively, those are some of the ways that one can apply the background color. So the background may be necessarily not by colors. It could be texture, it could be by maybe images from somewhere, or it could be by the flow of the different gradients from either horizontal or vertical. Here, let's say more colors. You can come here and say, I want my colors to flow from the corners, from the corner, either up, down. Then you can reflect them after choosing the color. Then you may as well try to put maybe uh, you may as well try to put the two colors. You may want to mix two colors. The first one was white. Here we can put black. This one here you can as well put this. So it means the colors have changed. So here you can choose uh, the color of your website that may appear onto after mixing the two colors. So mm, then after mixing the pages, you can as well apply to the page, one page, or apply to all pages. Let's say apply to page to be just on one page. So it means our colors may only be on that same color. So when you apply this, you you can continue to see that our colors will be reflecting down there by the change of the page. Or you can as well come and say more colors, then you mix two pages, two colors, horizontal, vertical. We might have two colors mixed together. You may choose to have maybe this color. That is the top color. Then first color, second color. We may have to look for maybe greenish. So if we choose to have this, it means our web page will look mm, like this. You see, so it has changed. It has two colors flowing vertically. So more of this may continue to come, but for now, having seen that we can grow or put our definite color that we may feel so important with, still we can continue to go onto our site and we continue to develop other items. Can now continue to have those items clearly put onto our website. Having already finished to choose the color, now you can start to do the needful by coming up with the business name, trying to design this and that as you may wish, because we have already finished to have a good choice of colors. So briefly, we can end here for now. Thank you.